one thing that I think it's nice, it's what, for instance, Cartesi enables. The logic is a bit different. So the logic is that you really don't need a very large amount of validators looking at a single computation, because they're not interested in that. What we do is we have Appchains, so it's basically every application has its own block space separated from each other. And we use Ethereum to secure it. So if everything is going all right, there's nothing there to see, everyone agrees and it's fine. But if a single one doesn't agree, then they start a dispute, and that dispute then needs all that big quorum consensus that Ethereum has. And then you're actually willing to pay the premium of using Ethereum and agreeing the dispute there, right? So it's a way of saying, hey, the block space here is too crowded, let's go to our own. That has a drawback because it's like a local consensus, it's fewer people validating, so it's much easier to, if you rely on this local consensus, to just control the narrative, right? But you don't do that because you have this protocol that secures it and says, hey, let's go back to that very secure but very expensive block space when things are going south, right? So I think that's one approach of making things easier, right? The whole approach of making gas prices more predictable that Jack described is also very nice because, as I said, you can bring more offer, but on those specific niches, there can always be some event that drives demand way up, right? And causes peaks. So it's not a universal solution, but it's rather combining all these different mechanisms that mitigate the problem, right?